Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, have you ever curious how much estimate money a YouTube channel might be earning? Or if you want to know how much estimate money your favorite creator or your YouTube competitor is earning, then this video is for you. In this video, I will tell you the estimate earning they are making on daily basis or yearly basis with the help of this basic tool and simple tool that can help. So in today's video I will show you how to check the estimate earning of any public YouTube channel using Social Blade. So if you're ready to learn this quick and useful trick, stay with me until the end of this video. So let's get started to see the estimate earning of any YouTube channel that you want to see. So let me show you. So on Google search Social Blade and you will get this link of this website. Click on it and here's the website of Social Blade you can see on the screen. So this is a search bar where you have to search the name of channel. So I'm going to check the earning of this channel apart from the sponsorship. So the estimate earning of this channel will be shown here as per the data. So I'm going to search this channel on Social Blade to see the estimate earning of this channel apart from the other stuffs and sponsorship. So here I have to type the correct name of this channel so that I will get it on the search bar. So you have to write the proper name of the channel. It would be exactly same so that you will get the name in the result. And you don't have to give any space. If there is any underscore or something that you can put, but avoid any space so that you will get the name of the channel. So now you can see that I got the name of this channel, and here you can see the rank of this channel, subscriber rank, views rank, so entire thing you can see. And here the estimate earning monthly it is showing, and yearly also you can see, and the subscriber got in last 30 days and last 30 days views. So entire information you can get, and when this channel has created, so entire thing you will get to know from here. So you can see that all the information we got about the channel, and this is how whichever channel you want you can see the estimate earning. And this is not the exact data, but what the estimate data available on Google, so on the basis of that you can see. But apart from this, people get sponsorship and that income they make through other way. But with the channel you can see the estimate earning this channel is getting. And that's how you can quickly check the estimate earning of almost any public YouTube channel using Social Blade. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, have a great time.